Welcome to my channel Slides Hub. Today I am going to introduce about the SWOT analysis of Flipkart. The founder of Flipkart are Sachin Bansal and Binny Bansal. It was founded in 2007, 14 years ago. Its headquarters situated in Bangalore, Karnataka. And now the CEO of Flipkart is Kalyan Krishnamurthy. In this, we will analyze the SWOT analysis of Flipkart through BCG Matrix and Ansoff Matrix. So, SWOT analysis in this strength and weaknesses. First of all, we will consider the strength. First, strong brand equity. Second, diverse product portfolio. Third, high margins, strong balance sheet, and also a high quality of product and services. And the weaknesses: first, inventory management. Second, organization culture and customer dissatisfaction and lack of critical talent. And the last is implementation of technology. After the strength and weaknesses, opportunities for the Flipkart are: first, adjacent markets; second, development in artificial intelligence; third, reducing cost of market entry; and the last, growing market size. And the threats: first, growing protectionism; second, new entrants in the industries; and the third, international political factors; and the fourth, government regulations and bureaucracy. Afterwards, we will define the strength. First, strong brand equity. Flipkart has some of the most recognized brands in the domestic market it operates in, and also diverse product portfolio. In this, the products and brand portfolio of Flipkart is enabling it to target various segments in the domestic market at the same time. High margins. Flipkart charges a premium compared to its competitors. It has provided Flipkart.com Flipkart resources to not only thwart competitive pressures but also to invest into research and development. Strong balance sheet. Flipkart can help it to invest new and diverse projects that can further diversify the revenue stream and increases return on sales and other metrics. And number one weakness is inventory management. Flipkart is not efficiently managing the inventory and case cycle. There is a huge scope of improvement in inventory management. Second, organizational culture. This can serious roadblock in the future growth, as information in silos can lead to missed opportunities in marketplace also. Third, customer dissatisfaction. Flipkart should focus on areas where it can improve the customer purchase and post-purchase experience. Afterwards, opportunities. Adjacent markets. Flipkart can explore adjacent industries to further market growth, especially by extending the features of present products and services. Second, development in artificial intelligence. Flipkart can use developments in AI to better predict consumer demand and make better recommendation engines. And the last, threats. Growing protectionism. Flipkart should hedge the risk against growing protectionism, ranging from storing data into international market to diversifying risk by operating into countries at different economic cycle. Second, international geopolitical factors. In this, development such as Russian sanctions, foreign exchange crisis, and inflation in Venezuela, lower oil prices, etc. are impacting international business environment. Afterwards, through BCG Matrix. In this, the BCG Matrix for Flipkart will help in implementing the business level strategies for its business units. The analysis will first identify where the strategic business units Flipkart fall within BCG Matrix. First, STAR. The Financial Services Strategic Business Unit operates as the strategic business unit had potential. And after this, cash cow. The Supply Management Services Strategic Business Unit is a cash cow. In the BCG matrix of Flipkart, the market share of Flipkart is high, but the overall market is declining as companies manage their supplier themselves rather than outsourcing it. Number third, question marks. The Local Food Strategic Business Unit is a question mark in the BCG matrix for Flipkart. The recent trend within the market shows that consumers are focusing more towards local foods. Therefore, this market is showing a high market growth rate. However, Flipkart has a low market share in the segment. And the last, dogs. The Plastic Bags Strategic Business Unit is a dog in the BCG matrix of Flipkart. This strategic business unit has been in the loss for the last 5 years. It also operates in a market that is declining due to greater environmental concern. And some of the strategic businesses units identified in the BCG matrix for Flipkart have the potential of changing from their current classification. For example, a dog changing to a cash cow. These have been identified in the BCG matrix of Flipkart. And recommended strategies to ensure such change have also been made. After this, Ansoff Matrix. Here is the chart which represents the existing products and the new products, and also the new market and the existing markets. The Ansoff Matrix is a framework that enables Flipkart to identify growth opportunities by leveraging both internal strength and external opportunities. The Ansoff product market grid suggests 4 generic growth strategies. Number 1, market penetration. This strategy is used by an organization when it has potential to grow the market share in the present industry. It involves sales-driven approach in the present environment. Market penetration can be achieved through increasing sales touchpoints, reaching directly to customers, improving dealer network, increasing the basket share of customer total spending, etc. Ansoff Matrix is a competitive strategy analysis tool. And the second, market development. This strategy involves efforts on part of the Flipkart and to create new markets and channels for the current products. This may involve entering international markets, entering a new domestic markets, trying up with complementary companies to drive sales of current products, etc. One of the prominent example of market development is how Tesla is building recharge station at a certain distance to enable customers in new market to use its cars. And after this, product development. This involves Flipkart and either adding new features to the current product or developing new products for the existing market. One of the prominent example of organization using product development strategies is Microsoft constant release of Windows Office version after specific duration of time. And the last, diversification. This strategy is used when an organization sees an opportunity either in an adjacent industry, for example, Microsoft entry into the gaming industry with Xbox. Both the product and consumer segment are new to the firm and it had built a completely different distribution and revenue model from the one it was using to do enterprise productivity businesses. Thank you.